into the creative industry and sports.
Yes.
And this is our amazing Ushanga products.
Finally, we are there.
Yes.
You know, initially the problem was there used to be a lot of metal,
Which was
but now I think this has been made a lot finer.
the finish is
Which is good, very good. Pongezi. Look at that.
now
It's
better.
absolutely beautiful. Beautiful.
Better with the, to be a lot of.
It's now more beat a bit of leather.
Kuna ingine?
Yeah, we offer capacity building training to the women across the 7 counties, now 10 counties. So we just teach them how to do quality finishings, use different modern efficient tools, and we give them the raw materials. And yeah, we give them good training.
How are you linking this with our TVETs and the vocational training institutions, the village, they're not called village anymore. They are now called vocational technical. Yeah, the ones that are run by county.
Oh, okay. So now, once the women are trained, we have TOTs. So these are women who are going to train other cooperatives, because we deal with cooperatives. We don't deal with an individual woman. So once a woman is trained, she becomes a trainer of other trainees. She goes across all these other cooperatives and trains and pass the skills down to the other
I think
women.
we can improve that
Yes.
with the skilling people in Tibet,
Yeah.
and then they can now go and do the build up the skills in the cooperatives. I think that is something we can take it up above with your counterpart. And I remember last week or the week after, I approved to be included amongst the counties that will be under the program.
Yes.
On
Shanga, Kenya.
Shanga
Yes, sure, true. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Next is visual arts. Wamekuchora sana hawa.
Hello, His
How are you,
Excellency.
boss?
Very well, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
The
sir.
world of
We shall
arts.
get